as if there's something new, kid. With a patient performer, the kid in the corner. We were just tuning you out. We are young and unafraid. Allow me to weigh in.
Yo, are you preparing for a flood? Cause one of those. She hates me. Doomed voyage. Right there.
Serious? The repeater magazine. Who's looking the best?
Huh?
Principal.
Who's looking the best?
Principal. They're babies.
Oh my god. Look at what this girl was cutting you freaking steak with. A plastic knife. This is what, hey, this is your right here. Come now, man. Disrespect. Disrespect. No, no, that's a threat of murder right there.
It worked though.
For half of my